Your body is a self-healing organism. You don't need their pharmaceutical industry for most ailments. Ancient healing, Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, African indigenous medicine all knew. They knew that the body heals when given what it needs. These systems cured what modern medicine only manages. Why were they suppressed? Because healthy people don't need pills. Healthy people don't create lifetime customers, they don't generate profit. Rockefeller Foundation systematically destroyed natural medicine schools. They made plant healing illegal, not because it wasn't effective, but because it wasn't profitable. The forbidden truth? Fasting regenerates cells. Herbs heal what pharmaceuticals mask. Food is medicine. Frequency heals. Your body knows how to heal. It's coded in your DNA. Stop outsourcing your healing. Your body is the most sophisticated healing technology in existence. Trust it, support it, and let it heal.